Leni, daughter of Heidi Klum, enjoys a luxurious and sunny holiday in the south of France. On Wednesday, the model was spotted sunning herself in a tiny bikini aboard her father Flavio Briatore's yacht. Leni is having the best time of her life hanging out with friends, lounging on the train and splashing around in the water. She seemed beautiful in a blue and orange string triangle bikini which tied at her hip and back. Leni is the daughter of model Heidi Klum and Italian businessman Flavio, although she was adopted years ago by her former stepfather, Seal. Recently living in Italy, Heidi is now married to Hotel Tokyo guitarist Tom Caltas. Leni followed her mother's model example by showing off her beautiful face while having fun with her friends on a luxury yacht.